Welcome to break 2787 for the 2020 Topps Archive 6 Series Retired Autograph Player Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Thursday, July 16th, 2020. It's 10:38 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:38 p.m. Central Time, and 7:38 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Show with 8 spots, Grizzly 8, BE 4, Triple B Sack 1, Jesse 4, Claymard with 5 spots. Let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Show on top, Clay on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7. Triple B Sack, you're on top. Clay, you're on the bottom. Triple B Sack, you have the Diamondbacks, Show with the Braves, Orioles, Clay with the Red Sox, Grizzly with the Cubs, Jesse White Sox, BE Reds, Show Indians, Rockies, Grizzly Tigers, Astros, Jesse Royals, Show with the Angels, Dodgers, Grizzly Marlins, Brewers, Clay Twins, Grizzly Mets, Yankees, Show Athletics, Jesse Phillies, Grizzly Pirates, BE Padres, Clay Giants, Mariners, BE Cardinals, Rays, Jesse Rangers, Show Blue Jays, and last but not least, we have Clay with the Washington Nationals. 2768 just sold out. Good luck, everybody. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Let's see who we have. Dwight Gooden for the Mets. NL All-Star, 4 out of 76. Congrats to whoever has the New York Mets. There we go. Sweet. Let's see who has the New York Mets. And the Mets. E Grizzly 3. Congrats on break 2787 for the 2020 Topps Archive 6 Series Retired Autograph Player Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at p-sportscards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then we're on to break 2791 for the 2020 Gold Rush Baseball Value Pack. Thanks!